Welcome in this class. This class is about text and captions. Text and captions are forms of written content that provide context, description, or additional information to accompany visual or audio-visual media. They play a crucial role in various forms of communication, especially including digital markets, digital platforms, print media, presentations, and more. Whether it is a newspaper article, a scholar media post, or a video subtitle, text and captions help convey meaning, enhance understanding, and engage the audience. So, Adobe gives us captions and text. This is a graphics workspace. You can see a blue area. This shown by graphics, and you can see the screen, the totally different screen from editing. This screen shows that graphics portion in Adobe Premiere Pro. We want to use it for captions and graphics. So welcome, and here you can see there is some options in graphics window. This is essential graphics, and this is browse edit. What is meant by browse and what is for edit? This section is about editing, text editing, and captions editing. And this is for browse. This is for templates. We use different templates. If we want to use these templates that are customized, we can use it easily. And if we want to use some other sections, we can download from the web, and after downloading, we can import in our templates folder. So look at these options. There is a local templates folder and libraries. Libraries means we have some other templates that we put in on libraries. Then we use libraries templates, and when we want to use local templates folder, we can use these templates in this folder. So this is a essential graphics folder. It means we can use templates, and we can use we can edit our text, our captions, and whatever we want to do, we can do in this section. So this is very important area for our captions and for our text. So as you know, this is a program window, and this is narrow this portion, and here we have import media. So we are, first of all, we are going to import some media so that we can show our text or our graphics in this media portion. So select these files, select some files, and open in a project panel. So these are the files in project panels. Just drag and drop in timeline. Look at this video in the program panel. You are seeing a lovely fish in the program panel. Play this video, and you are going to love with this video because it's a green fish. You can see here. Okay, we're going to do some. We are going to write something in this fish area. So first of all, for writing, these are the tools you can see here, and this T tool is for writing, type tool. This is a type tool. You can see a little triangle here, hold, and this is type tool T, and this is for vertical type tool. So we select type tool first of all, and then if we want to write anything here, we can write it easily. Look at this right side of Adobe Premiere Pro. This workspace is about text. So as we selected text, you can see a lot of changes in this area. So first of all, you can write anything you want. For example, we write hi. This is the word we are writing here, hi. And now you can see this area where we see this body. This area is about a graphic, and you can see here in the effect control panel there is a graphic option too. If we enlarge it, you can see it easily. So look at this graphic area. You have seen there a text option in the effect control panel, and the same option you can see here in essential graphics panel. So we can see text. If we want to animate or we want to do anything with our text, we can do. We can click on this and we can do whatever we want from the effect control. And the same options are here. If we want to change anything about our text, we can use this essential graphics area. And we select high. First of all, we add it in this area, in this graphics area. So you can see this is a video frame, and edit area, you can see here there is a text high. This is the area where you can hide high. If you want to hide, close the layer. This is off. We can off the text and on the text from there. So this T stand for text, and what is our text? Our text is I. So what is this? Create group or new layer. If we want to add something else in this area, then there is a option for new layer. So video frame. This is for video frame, and select which edges of the parent layer will be used for pinning. We can use, these are the options we are using in this video. These are the 4 options. Align and transform. We can transform our text and we can align our text. First of all, look at vertical center. If we select this, our text is in vertical center. Enlarge the size of the text. There are many options to scale up the text, but this one is most easy. So now you can see this text easily. Align and transform. Select the vertical. Look at the change in the program panel. Or now select this, and now look at the change in the vertical panel. So this is for align top. This is for align, and this is for align in the middle and lower bar. So we use middle section. So these are align left, align horizontally, or align right. This is for align left, horizontally, and align right. So we use horizontally. So this area is for, if we want to change the position, use this area, x-axis and y-axis. And what is this? This is the toggle animation for scale. We use the scale up and scale down. This area is for positioning, and this one is for scaling. If we want to change the x-axis or y-axis of our text, we can change it. We can change from here very easily. And if we change, if you want to scale up or scale down the text, we can use these options. So this is the toggle opacity. If we want to change the opacity, look at the program window. If we want to change opacity, we can lower the opacity, and we can change the opacity from there. So these are the text style. Text, we can change the text style. It means we can change the font of the text. If, for example, we use bold, and this is the bold style. What is this? This is the font style. If we want regular or bold, we select bold. So what is this? This is for scaling. Scale up or scale down the size of the text. There are the same options. We have already read about it. Left line, right line, and the middle line. Vertically text up or kerning. And this is for spacing, V spacing tracking. Look at the function of the V spacing. This is for spacing in vertical and horizontal portion. And these are the text style you can use in your text. Now, what is the appearance of the text? We can choose our appearance from here. Uh, these are the graphic properties. This is the range option. You are already familiar with these options like this, and you can see the properties. Right click on it. Look at this graphic properties, stroke style. What properties you want to choose, you can choose from here. Select, choose it. And now appearance. Fill. This is a white color. If we want to change the color of the text, we can change here easily. First of all, select the color. Select the green color. Now, look at this high. This H and I are turned into green. So, what is the next stroke? If we want to change, if we want to give stroke in our text, look at this green and the narrow line of white color. You can see here, if we want to change it red, select this area and then OK. Now, look at the program panel and look at the stroke which is highlighted with the red color. So what is next? Background. If we want to change the background of our text, now as we select background, you can see there is something in background high. Color of the background is black. Now we are changing the color of the background. We change with the yellow color. We can select the yellow color. So choose this color and look at the change in our program window. Here you can see green color with that. Here you can see a text with green color, stroke with the red color, and the background is with yellow color. So you can change all the things in with you can do animations with your text. So this is the appearance of the text. Now what is this? This is for opacity. Now this is for opacity and we can change the opacity of the text, change the opacity of the background. Look at the changing the program panel. And this is about the sizing of the background. You can change the size of the background. And this is for shadow. Select this and this is for shadow. If you want to create shadow, look at the program panel and here you can see the shadow of the text. See the changes in the text area. So this is all about text. This is the text animation. And the next, what we are going to do next is about control effect controls. Here we can change the position, the scale. We can use mask in the text. We can use the anchor point. We can rotate the text, and we can do each and everything. Whatever we want to do and whatever we want to animate, we can animate and we can do in from this panel, which is effect control panel. So look at the text and here we are going to animate. First of all, select the text option and there we use FX portion now and use position. This small clock is used for animation for position. So select this area and you can see x-axis and y-axis. If we want to change the text position of the text, we can change it easily. For example, when we play the video, our text is coming from here, and when we play this video, our text is appear in this part and then land here. So here this video, if we want that our text is in the start show here, so select the position. Similarly, we are going to change the scale of the text. So this is for scale animation. This clock change the scale of the text. Select and you can change the scale. So next, what is next? Next is rotation. This is a small icon of watch. Select this and you can see rotation here, anchor point and anti-flicker point. If we want to change the rotation of the video, look at this program panel. We can easily change the rotation of the text. We can easily change the rotation of the text. This is a mask. The writing is the writing will appear in this area. So this is and if we want to invert it, we can invert, and when we want to show it, we can show it very easily from this. This is for mask expansion. If we want to expand the area of the hive, we can expand it from there. Mask and mask feather. If we want to use feather, look at this. We can use mask feather here, and what this is a mask, and we can use mask feather here. Look at the change. So in Adobe Premiere Pro, text is essential element of communication that complement visual or audio visual content, while text represent written content that can exist independently. And captions specifically accompany and enhance various forms of media, providing additional text, description, and accessibility.